Okay, so let's proceed to the next formula, which is the cube of a binomial. So if we have here a plus b raised to the power of 3 or cube of this binomial, and the other one is the difference of 2 here, or maybe we can say a minus b to the third power. So the formula for this is a plus b raised to the third power is equals to a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. The other one, if we have a subtraction sign in the middle here, we just change the sign from addition sign to subtraction sign, and from this middle term is just the same. Then we have the last term has a plus here and a minus sign here. Example, so if we have to simplify or evaluate the cube of 3x plus 2y, so let us use the formula for the first formula. So we are going to have a cube of the first term, so we have 3x cubed plus, according to the formula, we have 3, the value of a is 3x, but we have to square it, and we have the b, value of b is 2y, added 2, again 3 according to the formula, and the value of a is 3x, the value of b is 2y raised to the power of 2, plus the last term is 2y cubed. So let's go to simplify this. We have 3 cubed, so when we multiply 3 by 3 and by 3, we have 27x cubed. Then we have 3, simplify first the exponent, 3 by 3 is 9x times 2y, added 2, so let us multiply this 2, we have 9x, simplify 2y raised to the power of 2, so we have 4y squared, added 2, 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8y cubed. So let us just rewrite 27x cubed plus, so we multiply this 3 here, so we have 27 times 2 is 54x y, added 2, multiply 9 and 4, we have 36x y. So we forgot to put square on this particular part, so we have 9x squared, so we have also 54x squared y, 36xy squared plus 8y cubed. So if you can observe here, there are no similar terms already, so this is our final answer. So that's it for this particular formula. Okay, let us have another example. So what if we have a minus sign here? So we will try to evaluate 5x minus 3z quantity of to the third power, or 5x minus 3z, the cube of 5x minus 3z. So we are going to use the second formula. So the value of the first term is 5x, so we have cube minus 3, a is referring to 5x and b is referring to 3z. So remember that the value of 3z here is not a negative sign. This one is just part of the given, so we don't need to carry the sign. We have the value of b, 3z, then we have plus 3, the value of a again is 5x, and the value of b again is 3z, but in this case the value of 5x here is raised to the power of 2. On the other hand, the value of 3z is raised to the power of 2, minus the value of b is 3z cubed. So we have here 1 to 5x cubed minus 3, simplify this one, which is 25x squared, rewrite 3z, then we have to multiply 15x, simplify this according to its exponent, 9z squared minus So cube of 3 is 27z cube. Then we are going to simplify another stage, 125x cube. So if we are going to multiply this 3 here, so we have 25 by 3 is 75, multiplied by 3, we have 225 x squared z. So again, we will multiply 15 and 9. We have 45, 9, 13. So we have 135 x z squared subtracted to 27z cubed. So if we have no similar terms, this will be our final answer. So that's it for this particular formula.